Once upon a time, there lived a kingdom named Anali. Ruled by a king and queen who was loved by all and assisted by a fairy godmother, they have a beautiful daughter named Rossella.
You're free. You go wherever the wind takes you. Mother.
My dear Rosella, my child, we need to speak with you. Mother.
Is something wrong?
On the contrary, dear princess, something very right. A proposal has arrived from the Northern Kingdom.
Marriage? So soon?
You are 19, and this union would bring peace and strength to our kingdom.
And if I am unsure?
Doubt is natural, child. Destiny often arrives before we are ready.
Does destiny ever ask what we want?
You don't have to answer today, but you must consider it.
Your Majesties, thank you for receiving me. I come with respect and hope. You are welcome, Prince Caspian. With your permission, I would like to meet Princess Rossella.
She is in the garden. The guards will take you to her.
Princess Rossella.
Oh, Prince Caspian.
I promise I'm less terrifying than I look.
I wasn't afraid, just curious.
Your garden is beautiful, though I suspect it's only because you spend time here.
Flattery already?
You know, I'm terrible at politics. Humor is all I have.
You joke a lot for a prince.
If I don't laugh, I fall asleep during meetings.
That almost makes me feel sorry for you.
I won't pretend this meeting is only chance, but I hope, if we do this,
I was afraid of being trapped.
then perhaps we can be trapped together and make it bearable.
You make me laugh, Prince Caspian. I didn't expect that. If this marriage is to happen, I would like it to begin with honesty.
You have my word.
Then, I agree.
I promise to try my best not to disappoint you.
Mother! Lena, what is it?
I saw him, Prince Caspian. I want him.
That is not possible. He is meant for Princess Rossella.
But I love him.
You just met him. I don't care! I want him!
Please, Mother. You always said I deserve happiness.
This marriage is important. It cannot be changed.
It's always the princess. Please. Please don't make me watch him marry her. I'll die of sadness.
Lena, stop this at once!
If you loved me, you would help me.
Enough. I will not see my daughter suffer.
You'll help me?
Yes, but you must do exactly as I say.
Anything.